In this class, we want to solve this problem on sets problem, which involve three set problem. We have in a survey of 100 students, 60 like football, 50 like basketball, 40 like tennis, and 30 like both football and basketball, 25 like both football and tennis, 20 like both basketball and tennis, and 10 like all the three sports. Now the question is, how many students like none of the sports? We can make use of Venn diagram in this kind of problem, and from what we have here, we'll be making use of the first letter for what we are dealing with. For football, we use F. For basketball, we use B. For tennis, we use T. And what we have on the universe set, we have this as the universe set, and the total number of students, that's 100. Then, since we are dealing with three problems, we have to draw three circles, and something is common to the three of them. So the three circles has to intersect, and this, we have the first one, the second, and the third here. So they are all intersecting at this point. Okay, now for the first circle, let's use this as football. They gave us the number of students that like football, and these are 60 students. So we can say F here, that's 60. Then the second sports, we have basketball. So we can use the circle of basketball, and we have B here, that's 50. Then also we have 40 like tennis. So we can say this, the third circle here, that's tennis, which will be 40 now. Then we can come here and put the one that is common to all the students. That's the three sport now. 10 of the students, that's 10 of them like all the three sports. Then from here now we have 30 like both football and basketball. Now when you look at this circle, the way they intersect here, we have football. This is a circle for football, and this is a circle for basketball. And when we look at it critically here, football and basketball intersect from here to here. Okay, so this region is where they intersect. That is, these two circles cut each other at this point and this point. So from here to here is the region for the football and basketball we are talking about. That means everything here should be 30, and we already have 10. So subtract 10 from 30. So this will remain 20 here. So which implies altogether here we are having 30. I believe that's taken. Now, and the next statement also, we have 25 like both football and tennis. When you look at this, we have football and tennis. So football and tennis covers from here to here. Everything here should be 25 now. And we already have 10 here. So subtracting from 25, it means this place is 15. So making everything to be 25. Then similarly, 20 like both basketball and tennis. This is basketball and this is tennis. So also intersecting from here to here. So everything here should be 20. And we already have 10. So subtract 10 from 20, remain 10. And everything here now is 20. Okay. Now, before we continue, we now want to balance the empty space here. And this empty space is representing football only. That is, students that like football only is only this place. Students that like basketball only this place. Students that like tennis only this place. Okay? And how do we get that? Since everything inside football should be 60, and we're having 20, 10, and 15. So this now, we take all this away from 60. Okay? Subtract this three number now from 60. We give us what will be here, right? So 20 plus 10, that's 30. Then plus 15, that's 45. So that means 60 minus 45. That will give us 15. So football only now is 15, right? Okay. And also similarly for basketball, everything should be 50, right? And we have these three number inside the basketball as well. So take these three number as well away from 50. And this is 20 plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40. And 50 minus 40, that's 10. So this is also 10 now. Okay? Then similarly for tennis, everything inside tennis should be 40. Take these three numbers away from that. That means we have 10 plus 10, 20 plus 15, that's 35. And 40 minus 35, that gives us 5. Then there is some people that will take none of the sports. There are some people that like none of the sports, and those people will be outside this three circle. So, but inside the university, you can put it anywhere here as X. So you can say let X represent people that like none. So X standing for students that like none. Student like none of the sports. So let's just put it like that. Okay. Now, where we are going now, we want to find the value of X now. That is, we want to calculate how many students like none of the sports. It implies we are going to add now all these numbers we are having, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of them, then plus X, and everything must sum up to 100. We now solve and we get the value of X. So that is that. And when we do that now, we can simply say that this is 20 plus 10, 30. So we can write as 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We have 10 three times there. Then plus 5 plus the next one 15. Then plus 15 again. Then plus X should add up to 100, which is universal. So just add here. You have 20 plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40, plus 10, 50. I already have 30 here. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 50, that's 80 plus 5, 85. So this means we have 85 plus X now equals to 100. So to get X here, we just take 85 to this side, become minus. And this become X equals to 100 minus 85. So just take away this, and the result give us X equals to 15. Now, it implies that students that like none of the sports are 15. So we have 15 students like none of the sports. So please don't forget these steps, and follow us for more videos. Share this video. Also give a thumbs up, and see you next class, and bye.